Vernell?
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Vernell.
Thank you for calling.
Yeah, we appreciate you staying up. We heard somehow you or your family was involved in a hit and run?
Yes.
What happened?
The gentleman ran the red light, and I was going through, and it just kept going. Officer did see a little bit of it, and they tried to chase him down, but he got out the car, and he one of those hoodoo genie disappeared. But so they took the car and his car and put it in the impound for about 2 weeks, to see if they come forward. So there's a lot of, I think a lot of mind games been going on with his insurance company. We got the same insurance company. So I did hire an attorney, but he was just pathetic. I fired him. I didn't like what was going on because he stated that the insurance wasn't communicating, and I learned that they had sent him 2 checks. So when I found that out, I fired him. I called the Bar Association, of course. So then I'm dealing with the insurance myself. I give them a demand letter, but they just keep playing mind games. So my question is, I give them a limit of time of 60 days, and they just keep coming back nitpicking. As they had already processed and sent out 3 checks to the lawyer before I found it out, and he made a deal with him. I didn't know anything about it, so I fired him. So then they claim that they canceled the check.
Vernell, can I ask you some questions? How long ago did your wreck happen?
Well, it's been about 10.5 months.
All right. And the person, they were able to identify the person that hit you and ran. Is that right?
Yeah, he did come forward to my knowledge and claimed that his car was stolen.
Yeah, well, we hear that a lot. Vernell, did he have the same insurance company as you do?
Yes, that's why I think it's a hogwash.
Yes, ma'am.
I just think it's a mind game that they're saying. They know him.
Yes, ma'am. And were you injured?
Yes, I was.
Okay, and have you turned all your medical bills and your medical records over to the insurance company?
Yes, they have paid. I also had medical, what's called med.
Yeah, medical payments coverage.
So that reached its max. And so now they claim that they have to go with the, other word line.
Yes, ma'am. And
injury department.
Let me just take the lead here real quick. You're dealing with a situation where they know that you're not a lawyer. They know that you're not going to file suit, or if you do file suit, you're not trained to put them in that at-risk position. I'm sorry you had a bad experience with your first lawyer, but there are many good trial lawyers that can help you out and get a much better result and eliminate all this heartache that you're going through. We would be glad to help you out, or any good trial lawyer can help you out. And when we come back from the break, I'll let Chase talk a little bit more about your understanding of what you're doing and how to do it right.
But before we took our first break, Chase, Vernell had called in, and it sounds like she's ready to sort of DIY, do it herself, to try to help herself push through against the insurance company due to a hit-and-run accident. Any step-by-step help you can give her?
Yeah, Vernell, to get your case going with the insurance company, one thing you're going to want to do is put together what's called a settlement demand letter. And you want to get all of your medical records, your medical bills, your lost wages, and you don't just want to tell the insurance company about it, but you want to get those records and bills to have as documentation and evidence for the insurance company. And you want to put it together in what's called a Holt demand. And so if you feel free to reach out to our office, and we can help you with that as well. But until you get an attorney involved and really let the insurance company know that they're at risk of being hauled into court, they're not going to offer you what your case is worth. And so by getting a trial lawyer involved, you really let the insurance company know that there is a risk that you can take them into the courthouse.
Thank you, Chase. That was great information.